Hey there, people. How's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile liquid soap. And this is the citrus flavor. Now, this is a very, very good cleaner. Basically, it cleans just about any way you need it to. But what's really great about it is the fact that it's concentrated. So you can use it for all kinds of different purposes. First of all, you can mainly use it, which you probably will be, just using, to do your floors and countertops. And because it's concentrated, you can dilute it with water. The bottle will last forever. Now, this bottle is 32 ounces. And say you want to just wash your hands. So your hands are gritty from whatever you're doing. You got dirt on it, oil or anything, kind of grease or whatever. You want to wash your hands. So you take this bottle, one squirt on your hands, not even a big squirt, just a normal size squirt onto your hands. Rub it in, rub them together just like you would if you washed your hands anywhere else, and rinse it off. Your hands smell nice and they'll be really super clean. Okay? And say you wanted to wash your dishes, you can do that too. For dishes, just used 1 part of this to 10 parts water. You got your dishwashing liquid. It's not like rocket science. It's really, really easy to do. However much you want to make, just 1 part of this and then 10 parts water. So you mix that together and there you got it. And it works really well on dishes. It really, really does. And get this, you can even wash your hair with this. Can you believe that? You can even wash your hair with this. What you do, if you want to wash your hair, you just take like a half a tablespoon of this. You'll put it on your hair while your hair is already wet. So you wet your hair really good. Make sure it's really, really saturated. And then you take a half a tablespoon, of this. Put it in there in your hand and just put it onto your head and scrub it in. Yeah, it's really, really, really good. And it smells really nice. That's why I am big on the citrus flavors for smells. It just really does something for my nose. Even with my air fresheners that I buy, I really like the citrusy smells. So that's why I got this one. And say you want to mop your floors. If you're going to mop your floors with this, just add a half a cup of this to 3 gallons of hot water. And there you go. You are ready to get all the dirt and grime out of those floors, and they will come out squeaky clean afterwards. Really well. It's really, really a good cleaner. And I just love that it's concentrated. You can do so many different types of cleanings with this. It's really nice, and it just leaves everything really, really smelling good. I've been using this probably for, maybe about 3 years. And it comes in lots of different fragrances, I'll say. This is one of my favorites because it's citrus. I also like the lavender one. That's probably my absolute favorite one. Depending on the scent of it, the color of the bottle will be different. So this is a citrusy one, so it's kind of a light orange. But when I first saw this in the store, I thought it was kind of a generic type of cleaner, so I was very hesitant on getting it. It just looked very basic because the label wasn't very fancy, it didn't have flowers or anything to make it attractive, But my grandmother told me about this and I decided to try it, and it really works very, very well. I'm really happy I did. It's really good. I'll continue to use it. All right, well, we've been talking about the Dr. Bronner's Pure-Castile liquid soap, and this is the citrus flavor, 32-ounce bottle. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.